my friends, welcome to my channel. Hi. Hello my friends, welcome. Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video.
Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video. I'm at Micro Center Miami and I'm going to buy the Bambulab P2S 3D printer. It just came out. Follow me. I bought a 3D printer, Bambulab P2S. In a little bit, we will do the unboxing. See you soon. I'm back home. Let's unbox the Bambulab P2S combo. Let's see what's in the box. Here we have instruction manuals, that's important. The tools that are important. Let's take this out. In the box of the 3D printer P2S from Bambulab came the manual instructions, the tools, and I took the printer out of the box. Let's take the Bambulab. My friends,